After some days, it can't be say the hand on rotty, the blood no dey flow.
Hello everybody, welcome to Naija Daughter TV show. Hi, I go leave you waiting my I see the video but in fact I don't know what I will talk. A baby who God bless with two hands, father just use his hand to remove his pikin hand. I, 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 I. The mother say, papa say, may you not tell anybody. You mother come, you know they where I dey. How we should they where I dey? As the thing they do me for body. Okay, your husband tell no, your husband be your baby papa 2 months old pikin. You don't know say that your husband head not correct. Now once you tell no say he gets score. You say now everybody wey wear cloth be woman be na normal. But some people, hey, no. When my mother go say children be like snail, where children they crawl they go. Some they don't really want to be a mother, a parent.
I don't dey mature. I don't mature. I don't know say not true. Not true.
Some women they don't want to be a mother. Okay, man, when you say don't they live with for 4 years, reasonable person go just carry if no be say he head gets score, you go just carry wire take tie pikin. You go not say some notes it don't come off for the head now. You go not say some notes it don't remove for the head. As this beautiful baby be, you now look her. But God give her 2 hands. Me una forget my look. God give her 2 hands. Papa just use his hand to remove 1 hand. No be say na accident the pikin get. No be say the pikin anything. No be say the waka na accident happen. He pizza house. Mama say no. Is she no? Oh mother, you know they were. When that kind thing happen, first thing we supposed to do, you go rush that pikin go hospital. If your school say they work, you go rush that pikin go hospital. Now wetin be? Make una come o. Wetin dey really dey happen for that one Nigeria? Wetin dey happen? Wetin dey really dey happen? Papa just carry rope take tie pikin, tie 2 months old baby. If I want use as pikin take sweet, small pikin that 2 years, some mothers they don't be mothers. Some imagine, let me calm myself. Imagine you are a mother. You get 2 months, you get 1 month, you get 1 day. Pikin they cry. Pikin don't get mouth to talk to you, to communicate with you. They are all na cry. Look in bumble, whether a bumble don't play or whether they hungry. Some children breast not they enough for them. They need extra food. Maybe you be the type where you know they eat well to give that pikin and baby boy. If pikin no eat well, he go cry. If pikin, maybe you not bath am well. No Nigeria heat still dey. Europe when heat no good dey. If you born pikin, you know they bath am as you supposed to bath am. The pikin go see the feel am. Some mother they know say they be mother. When I born my children, be like, I never be YouTuber. Some people say, I no fit bath my pikin twice in a day. Oh, me, I bath my pikin twice in a day when my baby. I go bath her in the morning. I'll use water, take carry hand go back. See my hand. If my man not to me, my hand for not they go back. You see, you see my hand. If I carry my hand like this now, I'll feel twist my hand go back because for the massage when they give me, you see, those things they help. Carry your pikin, massage and carry the hand go back. Throw and go up. Bath pikin body go weak. He go sleep. Give her food, he go sleep. Which man pikin will get to take cry? You carry pikin for hand. Pikin, you now say pikin they cry. Pikin they cry means something. Whether body they inch her, whether it bonbon in the inch her, or maybe bubble pee, or maybe they hungry. Once you don't do children those things for bed, go sleep. Some they no go sleep for night. That one a new baby, na we know them. Some go sleep for night, later they go change. Children change. Now na just carry the pikin in one hand. You the mother, you the father, both of you now they supposed to love for quickly. Then those who call themselves what did they call themselves self, whether welfare be they will collect that pikin, take care of her. You the mother, when you say they say me you not carry the pikin go hospital. No people police o. You no rush pikin go hospital after the rotting hand. Now you go meet the neighbor. From there, the thing not still open now. The seal of that pikin dey your head and that man head. I go leave una make una watch the video. The narrate when she narrates. Please, if you are a mother or you dey plan to be a mother, you want to become a mother, double think. Children need your attention. Take care of your child. Pikin, new baby, they're too sweet. Aye. If I want you that sweet, stay back for don't born reach thousands. Children, new baby, when you go back and give am feel, make me come that their hair go make coy. Some women they be the grace to motherhood. I'll leave you now. Make una enjoy the video.
On a Friday night, I left him to wise myself, and he was crying. He was crying on top of his voice, and for me, as I came, I saw the guy flogging the baby with anger. So when he finished flogging the baby, he then have to tie his hand round. So he now said, "It's just a little child. His hand is going on you fast, and the both going to join together." And he's threatening not to tell anybody. When he went out, I have to inform the neighbor and tell the neighbor see what's really happened. So the neighbor gave me money. We went to the first one, second one, third one. They rejected us. So they said we should come to FMC. That is the year they can do it.
When they come bring her to us after some days, it can't be say the hand on rotty, the blood no dey flow, the hand no dey move, the hand can't the black one kind. So when we look we can't see say this hand no be the kind of hand where we fit salvage, where we say we don't fit do anything about them. And if we leave the germs where the hand, because don't they smell, the germs where the hand fit just enter inside the baby blood, can cause another kasala. So we can't talk to the mama, tell her say see wetin dey happen o, say go better make we comot this hand before the germs can enter the rest of the body.
I am 19 plus. I have known him for 4 years now. We are still together when it happened. I never expected that something like this would happen. It really pained me, and I was very sad, and I was unhappy that my baby's hand was like this. We were staying together before I went back to my auntie's house. Then I gave birth to my auntie's house there. He came to see me in my auntie's house at Anambra State. So he came, took me, he said we should come back. Then I went back.
By the grace of God, the baby don't survive, and it don't look very well now. Early this morning where we see it day very fine. So waiting with the plan now be how to take care of the wound, and then they look forward to the discharge. We with the social welfare department of the hospital, they work together.